Today I want to show you how to locate on Edmodo how to take a quiz. I logged in. My name is Stu, the student, and now I am logging in to take my quiz. I'm on the home page, so you'll notice there is this home button in the top corner right here that looks like a house. That takes me to the home page. Now, moving on, I'm going to scroll down the screen and look for quiz number 1, which is my homework Edmodo assignment. I'm going to take the quiz. So I can see already that there are 2 questions. This is the description. It's a practice homework assignment to help you learn how to complete a homework assignment and submit it. The due date for this is August 22nd, 2013. So I'm going to click on Take Quiz, and it's going to ask me if I want to start the quiz. It's going to tell me how many minutes and how many questions. So I can see that there are 2 questions and that the time is 5 minutes. I have to complete this assignment. Once I click Start, my quiz will begin. So I click Start Quiz. My first question, it tells me is 5 points. You can see in the top right-hand corner how many questions you've completed and how much time is left. It also gives a brief description about the quiz. This is a practice homework assignment to help you learn how to complete and submit practice homework assignments. And you can see what teacher assigned the quiz. This was assigned by Mrs. McCowan. Question number 1 for 5 points. Did your parent send Mrs. McCowan their email and phone number for your first homework assignment? Well, the answer is either yes or no. Assuming that I'm on Edmodo, my parent, yes, assigned that I could be on this. Okay? Next, I have to go to the top right corner, and where the arrow is, that's where we're going to go. And so click on the arrow, and then we're going to go to the next screen. So I click on the arrow, and I go to question number 2. What will Mrs. McCowan use Edmodo for in our math class? This question is worth 5 points. It says quizzes, A, or B, homework assignments. Well, I already know by reading the quiz that this is for homework assignments, so I'm going to answer B, and then after I'm done answering B, I go to the top right-hand corner where it says Submit Quiz, and I'm going to submit this quiz. Once I submit the quiz, I cannot go back. The only time I can go back is when I'm in the quiz. If you want to go back and change your answer, you need to do that before the time is up. Once the time is up, right now I have 3 minutes left to go back and forth in my quiz. Once the time is up, you are done. Make sure you submit the quiz before the time is up. Your homework assignments will be timed because you should not be spending time on them. Get them done, move on. All you're going to be doing is putting your answers on Edmodo. So once you're done, submit your quiz. Are you sure you want to end this quiz? It's going to ask you again. If you want to say cancel, it'll take you back to the quiz. If you say yes, it submits your quiz. Now, it tells you the 2 questions you did. It tells you the time limit, the time taken, and then this quiz is finished. You completed 2 out of 2 questions. And what do you feel like? Do I feel awesome? Like it? Interesting? Challenging? Not taught? Need more time? Bored? Need more help? Or lost interest? So I'm going to say I liked it because it was short and easy. Now this quiz that I created, I'm not allowing you to see the details of it. So you won't be able to see if you got it yet right or wrong. So it's loading, and it's going to tell us what we did. Okay, I've taken my quiz, and I have an alert. I have one new grade. Now I can either click on my alert and click on my new grade, which will show me that I received a 10 out of 10 on my homework assignment for Edmodo. And I can remove it, or I can remove the notifications. But I like notifications, so I'm going to keep it. It's like Facebook. If I didn't have a notification, I would click on Progress. That's this little button that looks like a lifeline on this side of the screen. I would click on Progress and then click on the course. I'm in 7th grade math. And then I would see my grades. So for number 1 homework Edmodo assignment, I got a 10 out of 10. So I have 100% in the class. All your grades will be shown here. It'll show you what you got, and you will know how you can do this. If you want to improve your profile, you can do that. That's fine. That is not necessary. All you have to do on here is complete your homework assignments and submit them. Thank you. Please ask Mrs. McCown if you need further assistance.